This is the solar power bank you need in your life. Stay green because it's good for our environment. So today we will talk about the HETP Solar Powerbank and green energy. But first, the intro. What's up guys, it's me and I'm back like every Sunday. Now that we have talked about headsets, blenders, hair clippers, watches, let's get into some green energy. As you can see, I tried the costume and everything, and I have bought it from Amazon, and I thought it would be cool, but let me tell you, it is not gonna work for us. So as you can probably hear now, the sound is just messed up, so we cannot do it like this. So I just pull the mask up a little bit, and we have to do it like this. I even got this gun. Yeah, I know it's a week late, cause Halloween was last week, but that's the way it goes, and that's the way it is. So, but before I start the video, let me tell you that all of my videos are not sponsored or anything. I buy these products because I guess I need them in my life. They have to be a part of me in some weird way. Oh, and by the way, would you like to see how I destroy stuff, like mixing other products that I have tested so far, or mixing the products right after every review? Like in the video that we have like a part of it, it will be the review and the unboxing of it, and the next part will be like destroying it with, I don't know, a katana, a mixer, blender, hammer, sledgehammer, I don't know. Tell me in the comments below how you feel about this idea, because me personally, I like to destroy stuff, and like everyone else probably does, but it costs some money to destroy stuff, and so you don't have to waste your money. I waste my money. That's how it goes. YouTube. So before we start getting into the video, let me just do a little unboxing right quick with you guys, and just so you can see it. That's the front of the box when you get it, and that is the back side. There's nothing on the left side or front top. So let's see what's inside. Of course I know, and you probably too, but so we got a little manual. I don't know, you don't really need it. I mean, it's a power bank. It's very simple to use it, so you don't need that one. You get a little charging cable, and of course you have the power bank. So just you can see it from the front. It's a slick design. It's not too big, so you can carry it around always when you go hiking or go anywhere. Yeah. Right here we have the HETP Solar Powerbank. It only comes with a little manual that I just threw away, and a little charging cable that I threw away as well, I guess. So what is left is the power bank. Ta-da! So if you don't feel like using the solar power bank system of this power bank, you can just plug it up to your laptop or wherever you want to and charge it right there. But let's get into some benefits of a solar power system. It's perfect when you're hiking, climbing, or just outdoor traveling, because you're definitely not going to find any plug outsides. This little body has not only one, but two batteries inside of a combined 26,800 milliamperes per hour. With this power, you can either charge an iPhone 11 like 5 times, a Samsung S9 4 times, and an iPad mini like 3 times or so. Since I only have a Samsung S9, it could only test it on that one, but it takes roughly 90 minutes until it's fully charged. So I've told you that you can charge this thing in 2 different ways. Let's begin with the cable charging option. This option should and probably will be your primary charging option. Like this, it will take about 8 to 12 hours until it's fully charged. Now the solar charging is more of a backup emergency option. You will probably only use it when you're outdoor traveling, hiking, climbing, whatsoever. You will also need a lot of sun to properly charge your cell phone. If you're living in Germany like me, it will be harder to charge it like for someone who's living in the Sunshine State in Florida. Since it's fall and there isn't too much sun, I couldn't properly test the solar charging option. So I did a little bit of research and watched some videos and got the answers for you guys. So if you really are trying to just charge your cell phone with the solar power, it would take about 48 hours. If you're trying to charge your cell phone with the cable, it takes only about 90 minutes. At least that's the case for my Samsung S9. Now on the front of the HETP Powerbank, it has two USB outputs. Like, hope you can see it, one on the left, one on the right. One is the 2A output and one is the 1A output. In the middle you can charge your power bank. In short, the 2A output will charge your device twice as fast as the 1A output, but therefore your power bank's life will get a little bit shorter. Vice versa, if you charge your cell phone via the 1A output, it will take about, I don't know, it will take longer, but therefore your power bank's life won't be damaged. Oh, and by the way, this power bank is not waterproof, so you should avoid the water at all costs. Now that's pretty much all there is to say about the HETP Solar Powerbank. Let me give you my rating right quick. As for the design, I would give this product a solid 4 stars out of 5. It is basic black powerbank with no extra fancy stuff. For the functionality, I give this powerbank 3 stars out of 5. It is supposed to be a solar powerbank, so I thought, cool, I don't ever have to charge it with the cable anymore. But now I know that the solar charging is only for emergencies and takes like forever. But 3 stars because its battery capacity is huge and you can charge 2 devices at once. As for the durability and price performance ratio, I would also give this product 4 stars rating. It isn't too big to carry around, so in other words, it has a good size for traveling, and you get all of that for just 25 bucks. So folks, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload new videos. See you next time. Bye bye.